Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I,
Nestor Archival,
of Cebu City,
having been elected
to the position of Mayor, City of Cebu,
to the position of Mayor, City of Cebu,
hereby solemnly swear
that
that I will faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of my present position, and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
That I will bear true faith
That I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same.
That I will obey the laws,
That I will obey the laws,
legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. That I impose this obligation
And that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have Cebu City Mayor-elect Nestor Archival.